Let's go ahead and fire this baby up. Woo. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're back. We're showcasing the 2018 Ford Fiesta today. Final look at this thing, totally done. Getting ready to get it on out of here. And well, drive it a few places too to save on gas since these prices are so dang high. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump into it, take a look at this thing, and yeah, let's just see how she came out. Alrighty, folks, we had that quick shot of the exterior there. It just came out beautiful. Even the hood that I painted for a first-time paint job with a $15 gun, I'm super impressed with. But yeah, here it is, guys. The 2018 Ford Fiesta SE hatchback. Just going to give you a total walk around. She looks fantastic. Real excited about how it came out. I think it's about the nicest rebuild I've done, just because of how new it is and how good it came out here with the with everything put together. Brand new tires, guys. The rims aren't chipped up or anything like that too bad. It is going to make somebody a great get around college car or something like that for somebody out there. Just real excited about it. It's going to be a great car. Drives really nice. I mean, it drives like an economy Ford, right? It you can hear the road noise and things like that, but as far as, you know, smooth, steering's tight. The actual 1.6 liter actually doesn't do too bad. It's got enough power for this little thing because it's pretty tiny. But yeah, guys, she came out fantastic. Super excited. Before we go ahead and dive in and talk about the interior, it's probably windy, I apologize. This car, so guys, this car ended up being about a $5,500 car put together with everything complete. I'm talking paint job, tires, front brakes, all the body work, everything we did in all the previous videos. About $5,500. The KBB on this vehicle is about 15 to 16,000 in private party selling condition like this. So for me, being an R title, it's going to be a little bit less than that. I'm thinking around, you know, 13, 14 is what it's actually worth, which I think is pretty awesome for this rebuild, and we got it super cheap. I think we stole this one, so I'm pretty excited about it. And if you know anybody that's interested, or you might be interested yourself, hit me up at my email in the description and let me know. This one will be available. I'm not keeping it, guys. Moving on to the next. So let's go ahead and dive in and show you the interior. Alrighty, guys, so here is the interior on the 2018 Ford Fiesta. Just under 42,000 miles. We're about to make that benchmark there, and she is looking and smelling beautiful in here, guys. It's like a brand new car. I can't I detailed this thing up and it looks great. I mean, this thing, you know, every bit as good as when it came off the dealership. But let's go ahead and fire this baby up. right up, guys. No issue at all. AC works, radio works, everything in this car works. AC is actually ice cold. Works great. We've got, which I found interesting, your door locks are actually in the center here. It took me a second to get used to that. We got the driver's window, of course. We got the passenger window, of course, works just fine. Everything in this thing functions. No sunroof, anything like that. We got a that's a little sunglass holder up there, and I don't even think these are lighted mirrors. Nope, just regular old mirrors. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and pop the hood, hop out, and give you a quick look at the little 1.6 liter while it's just running. She is. You can hear the fans kicked in because I think got the AC on. Real clean under here too. Like brand new. Battery's good. Fresh oil change. New spark plugs. This thing is ready to go. Ready to be driven. Yep, just like that, guys. Let's go ahead and just take a look at the back seat. And I am a pretty large guy. 6'2". And I'm gonna go ahead and sit in the back seat with the door closed to give you guys an idea. Front seat's almost all the way back, and you can see I'm tight, so there's not a ton of room. But if this seat were up just a little bit, honestly, there's plenty of room back here, plenty of headroom. Not bad at all. Yeah, window works just fine there as well. Transmission drives and shifts fine. Everything is great. Yeah, it's kind of a cool angle from the back seat. You can see the front dash there and everything, and how clean she looks. But yeah, there is the final look at the 2018 Ford Fiesta SE hatchback. Again, if you're interested, let me know. In Western Pennsylvania, so hit me up. Maybe we could work something out. But this one will be on to its new home here shortly. I think it'll make a great car for somebody. It is going to be super reliable, low mileage. It can't get much better than this, guys. Alrighty, guys, thanks for tuning in. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think of the 2018 Fiesta rebuild. I really appreciate it. Like this video if you enjoyed it. If you follow me along throughout the project, I appreciate you being here as well. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more things like this. And, you know, let me know what you'd like to see on the channel too, and maybe we can switch it up a little bit too. But guys, real excited about this one and how it came out. I think it's a great vehicle for somebody, and you know, it was definitely worth saving. So got pretty lucky, and I'm pretty excited about this one. But anyways, guys, until next time, be sure to always get out there and do it yourself.